Sahara West Park Home is a state-of-art hotel and bar in the heart of Runda Bypass, opposite Two Rivers Mall and next to Thika Motor Dealers. Our quality services in a serene environment makes our customers feel more like home. Welcome and experience our friendly prices in all the services offered, and these include hotel services, bar services, conference meetings, accommodation, team building, wedding ground and hall, swimming pool, beauty parlor, live performances by competent live bands and Mogithi. We also offer delicious African meals like mokimo, githeri, nyama choma, accompanied by your favorite drink. We have ample parking to all our guests as well as tight security. For more information, visit us at Sahara West Park Home or call us on 0722 202 614, 0722 202 614, or send us an email on saharawestpark@gmail.com. Sahara West Park Home, a home away from home.